Alright, here we go. First flight test of the DJI FPV. As you can see, got the green cover on so I can see it while it's in the sky. I kind of prefer the lime color cover. And then I have the bracer arms installed, as you can see right there. And I have a, I think this is the 16, is it 16? Yeah, ND filter on it. Because it's kind of a bright day, but it'll work for today. Okay, so I'm ready for the test flight. I'm gonna go ahead and use the controller first, and then later I'll use the hand motion control. There we go, up in the air, responding pretty good, right, left, forward, back, awesome. A little bit windy, but we're ready to go. Okay, next thing I'm going to be using is the motion controller. So let's see how this thing works. Okay, let's go do it. Uh-oh. What the? What's going on? How's it gonna work? Oh. Sorry dude, wrong one. Go. I guess you have to hit the button twice so you let it fly. Oh, this is awesome. As you can see, as you turn your controller right or left, it yaws. And if you do this, I guess either way, controls pretty well. So go forward. Wow, check this out. Look at that. This is awesome. Hope you can see that. Let me see if you can see that. Let me
I'm trying to get used to it, so be patient with me. There you go. Let's go. Flying forward. Look at that. Take another turn. Stop. Man, let's go. Cool. Alright, let me do some flying and I'll give you the conclusion of this hand motion controller versus the remote controller. I kind of like this one though. It's awesome. Anyway, I'm done. That was my last battery. The battery seems to last about 15 minutes per battery. 20 minutes was, I think it was 20 minutes was advertised, but 15 minutes, I can live with 15 minutes. And again, I have to fly more battery, so it's working well. All right, so there you go. Well, my conclusion, this drone is awesome. So I'm planning to use this to do some low altitude shots or videos at the beach. And hopefully I get out there next week, out there in the coast, and take some awesome shots. So stay tuned. But again, this drone is great. Awesome.